Hello, today we're studying the dot plot, also known as line plots if you've heard that in previous years. As we're going through the video today, keep these questions in mind. What kind of information can a dot plot easily show you, and in what types of situations may you want that information? So the first example, you don't have to write this down, you're just watching or listening. A principal is deciding how many computers to order for a new lab. Each classroom has submitted a vote. Show the data in a better way to help the principal make a decision. Tell why your way is better. So right now you can see that each classroom has indicated how many computers they want, and we have to take this information and make it a little bit better for the principal to understand. So that's our goal. So what is a dot plot? And you need to write this down. A dot plot shows the shape of a data set by representing each data point as a dot over its corresponding value on a number line. So that definition needs to be recorded. My friend's siblings. So if this is the data set, we have 2, 0, 1, 3. You can read the rest of the numbers. These are the number of siblings that your friends have. A data set, let me move this so you can write that down. And you're writing this definition as well. A data set is the value in the data set must be numerical to be displayed on a dot plot. So write that definition down. Scale. The scale is made up of a number line and a unit label. So labeling that axis. Dots. Each dot represents one value in the data set. And frequency. The frequency describes how often a data value occurs. So all four of these definitions, along with what a dot plot is, needs to be recorded. So you can pause if you need to. So this is an example. Your friend holds a basketball shooting contest. The person who makes the most baskets in 1 minute wins. Use the dot plot to answer the questions. So on this one, we have baskets made as our title. Then we have a number line, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This shows that 3 people made 3 baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people made 4 baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people made 5 baskets, and so on. I do want you to create this dot plot. You can either use circles or X's, whatever works for you. Then they use circles for, basketballs. So each of these is the baskets made, and each dot is a person that made that number of baskets. So record that as an example that we can work with. Over here it says, how many people made 8 baskets? So we go over here to our number line, and baskets, 8 baskets, 2 people made that. So I can write down 2 people. The next question says, how many baskets did the most people make? So you look at your graph and see where the line is the highest. We have, this is their highest bar, which means that 5 baskets made is the number that was made the most. The last question is, what is the least number of baskets a person made? So the least number of baskets a person made was 3 baskets, right? That's all we have up here. So 3 baskets was the least number that somebody made. It might be a trick question. You may have thought, oh, 9 baskets was the least. Well, no, 3 was the least they actually made for the activity. So again, make sure you've got this dot plot created and label it basketball shooting contest. How about this? Your friends hold a basketball shooting contest. Same thing, same data. How many people made 6 baskets? So I want you to try to answer that question. And how many baskets did the winner make? So let's look at it. If you can try to answer it on your own, then you can look back for my answer. How many people made 6 baskets? So we go over to 6 baskets and we see 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 people made 6 baskets. Then it says, how many baskets did the winner make? Well, the winner is the person that makes the most in 1 minute. And we can see over here that 10 is the highest that somebody made. So 10 is the highest number of baskets. Now you make one. The data shows the ages of dancers on a dance team. Make a dot plot of the data to find out which age is most common on the team. So we've got data ranges from, looks like 10, maybe our youngest, and 14 is our oldest. So we can, you are making this, So we can make our number line, and we can do 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And for every number, so I'm going to count my 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 11s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 of the 12s. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There is 1, 2 13s. And then there's 1 14. So that's our data to see and to find out which age is the most common. We look at our graph and we label it ages. And then we can have our dance team as our title. So you can tell by the graph that most kids are 12 years old, but then they range in the middle. So you can see the spread of the data there. All right, the list on the right shows the number of books each student in your class read over the summer. Make a dot plot of the data. So again, I want you to make this, and we'll check this one in class. So if you need to pause, you can zoom in on the data, do that, and then make your own dot plot for us to review. So that's dot plot / line plot, and we'll continue this with more examples in class tomorrow.